I'm on my way to the site of the Kelly-Hopkinsville Encounter. It's a very lovely part of Kentucky, quite rural, lots of trees, more than I expected, and pretty excited to see what we're going to find. I will say every other building here is a church. So I am at the place mark for the Kelly-Hopkinsville event. Supposedly this is where it happened. Looking right down that road, the place mark is actually right down there, about 100 yards down the road, but there's people's houses there, and so I'm not going down and being an annoying tourist. It's a very pretty little area. Train tracks right across the street, right behind all of the houses. It's not clear which house or which lot might have been the original one, but could have been this one, or that one, and it's probably not even the same buildings anymore. But this is the spot.